my name is Trang and I love to sew so much. And today we're going to be making a two-piece pajama set out of this big suit shirt. And it's going to be super cute. And I got this shirt at the thrift store and it is an extra large. And I've just been saving this, wondering what to do about it. And then the other day I saw a pajama set online and I was like, I wish I could make something like that. But I can out of this. And I'm so excited and I feel like this is going to be super easy because I'm just going to cut the shirt in half horizontally, and with the bottom half, with the fabric, I'm going to make the shorts. So for this project, I'm going to need string and my sewing machine. I know that sewing machines can seem scary, but trust me, they're not. You just plug the electricity in, you press on the pedal down there, and then you can just start sewing, and it's that simple. And I'm also going to need scissors and some elastic. First things first, I'm going to button up my shirt, and this will just help me cut it easier. After I button up my shirt, I'm going to cut the shirt in half, right through the middle. Each portion will be about 1 foot tall. I'm a really good singer. That's the fact that most people don't know. Want to hear me sing? I'm just kidding, that's not me singing. Here's me singing. So this is what my top looks like now. This is so cute! Aww. I have the back and front together. I'm going to fold it in half like so. And then I'm just going to cut this little curve here like so. So I fold it in half and then cut a curve there, and this is meant to give my butt room. I know it seems counterintuitive because if you want more room there should be more fabric, but trust me, this is the way to go. Next, the fabrics are attached right here, so I need to cut it. Next, I'm going to sew the two sides here together and the two sides here together. And I'm not going to cut the tag off here. I think that's super cute. And the width of each side of the fabric is about the width of my waist, with a little extra room. Then I'm going to connect the sides of the bottom right here, and I'm going to sew both sides, the front and back, together. Here's an up close of what I'm talking about. I'm going to sew the sides of the bottom together, and I'm going to sew them just like this, like so. So this is what it looks like after I've sewed and zigzagged it. Then I'm going to hem my shorts by pulling the shorts over 1 centimeter to 1 inch, and then sewing where the two fabrics overlap. And this will make my pants look sharp and get it ready for the elastic. I finished hemming it. Next, I'm going to measure the width of my waist. So I've cut off the width of my waist minus about 3-4 inches because this will help the shorts stay up. So I want them to be really tight and hug my body. I'm going to sew the ends of the elastic together. I'm going to let my elastic hug my shorts, and then I'm going to fold the top of my shorts over the elastic and sew where the fabric touches the other side of the fabric. So I'm not going to sew the actual elastic, I'm just going to trap the elastic inside the top of my pants. Like so. Yay! Now I can flip my shorts inside out. And I'm headed to the last step. The last thing I'm going to do is go back to my shirt and hem the bottom of my shirt. So we know what hemming is now. You just fold the fabric inside about 1 centimeter to an inch and then sew where the fabric overlaps.